Hello everyone and welcome to Wayne's Nerdy World, and today we are going to unbox an interesting piece of tech here, and this is the Artist 12 Pro from Xpan. This is a display tablet for artists out there. As you can see, Artist 12 of course. This is my first display tablet. I do have graphics tablets from Wacom, and I was ready to upgrade to something a little bit better, and this was actually one of the best rated things on the cheaper end. And I was like, well, let's give it a go. And, well, let's get right into it, shall we? And we'll just open this up. Like I said, open it up. Not suction on that, by the way. And inside the box, we have the tablet itself. Trying to be nice and gentle with this thing. Alright, there's a little mascot. And it's telling you to peel right here. I've heard that you gotta be careful because you can actually accidentally peel the protective layer. So we'll set that aside. And we'll see what we got in here. Over there. Off camera. There we go. And first things first, out of the box, we have a stand. And the stand, I believe, it's only got, only one adjustment. So, that's okay. I believe it goes up to 30 degrees worth of angle. And on the side here, you can see we got different power adapters, which is good for whatever country you're in. Your little power block, which just hooks right into your other power adapters. I believe, yes. Just take your adapter and just pop it right on there like so, and boom, you're good for whatever country you're in. I can't tell you what countries these are for, though. I can tell you this one's American. Well, no dirt. And let's see what we got here. If I can get the box. I really suck at unboxing things. This cylinder thing is... That's the cap, and that's also a pen holder. Right here is your battery-free pen, which feels actually really, really nice in the fingers. Really, really, really nice. Oh, I like that. Oh, that's going to be so great. Let's put that back in there. Of course, it feels really nice and clicky. It could be a little bit sensitive, but that's okay. I usually don't use those buttons that much. Oh. And the other side of it, you have your holder for your pen nibs. It comes with 8 different pen nibs and the tool to get the pen out. Well, the pen nib out. I like that. You can also beat someone over the head with that. Look at me getting violent on my channel. Demonetized. Alright, right here we have, let's see what's in this box. Oh, okay. We got cleaning cloth. This is a thing for your drivers. Again, their little mascot, which is very cute. Might have to draw their mascot for them. Thank you card. I'm not going to read that, but if y'all want to read it, there it is. You can just pause the video to read it. Nice little drawing glove. I've got a little cheap rinky-dink one, which is okay. Trust me, drawing gloves, they save so much hassle. In this box is your, let's see, you got your power, your USB. Nice. Yeah, let's open that up real quick, fans. This goes to the red USB cord. I guess it's like an extender for whenever you want to plug it into a power adapter. Which I'll be doing that. My computer has more than enough power to juice this thing, but I'd rather have standalone power source. And power plug. And two other little USB plugs. This is a USB Type-C. This will be plugging directly into the tablet itself. And a HDMI. And as you hear Yoda back there, may the force be with you.
I'm so sorry.
It is just fine. And I think that pretty well does it for that. For you all. Just for you all. We gotta get some nice unwrapping action here of this tablet. Oh my gosh, I got this thing on here. Good. Wow. I'm surprised at how quick this came too. I did not expect this until like next week. Now I kid you not, I'll watch it get shipped from China and all the way here in like less than 48 hours. I was impressed. Alright. And this is telling you to please remove the protective film before use. You gotta be real careful not to peel up that other layer. Oh, that peel action. Oh, that sounds so good. Yeah, okay. Got that one layer. That's good. Some people's been accidentally peeling up the secondary layer right there, and we don't need that. But quickly, before I do anything else, there's a glare on the screen, but oh well. You have your little jog wheel here, which is, oh, that feels so good. And you have your little hotkey buttons, which are programmable to many different things. Basically, if you can figure out how to hotkey it, you can do it right here. Oh, I'm so excited, guys. But yeah. That's basically the XP Pen Artist 12 Pro. I will do a full-on review of the tablet as soon as I get up and running and I get used to it. So, stay tuned for that and a later video. So, this has been Wayne with Wayne's Nerdy World. Signing out, and if you like the video. If you don't like, keep your opinions to yourself. Just kidding, you can dislike the video, but give it a like if you want to. If you really like it, subscribe down in there. Right down there. You know where it is. Don't act like you don't. You can do it. And question for the day. What is your favorite anime character? Let me know down in the description below. But once again, Wayne with Wayne's Nerdy World, and I am signing out.